Hi, I'm Sarah from CompleteAITraining.com, and in this video, I'll guide you on how to grow your career and become an AI specialized process improvement analyst. This exciting role combines the power of artificial intelligence with process optimization to drive efficiency and innovation in various industries. Stay tuned as we explore the essential skills, educational pathways, and career opportunities that can help you excel in this dynamic field. By becoming an AI specialized process improvement analyst, you future proof your skills in a rapidly evolving job market. With AI expertise, you'll unlock more job opportunities as industries increasingly seek professionals who can integrate AI into their processes. Additionally, AI skills often lead to higher salaries as they enable you to be more efficient and productive, leveraging AI as your assistant. This role not only enhances your career prospects, but also positions you at the forefront of technological innovation, making you an invaluable asset to any organization. At CompleteAITraining.com, we offer comprehensive courses and a certification program designed to help you become an AI-specialized process improvement analyst. With the rapid pace of AI developments, staying current is crucial. That's why we ensure you're always updated on the latest advancements in AI that are relevant to your role. Our training equips you with the knowledge and skills to seamlessly integrate AI into process improvement, keeping you ahead in this dynamic field. Our AI video training programs are tailored specifically for process improvement analysts. Dive into the latest prompt courses and leverage custom GPTs specialized for your needs. We've curated essential AI tools to enhance your expertise. Join our course and certification program to excel as an AI-specialized process improvement analyst. If you're interested in this course, please check out CompleteAITraining.com and search for process improvement analysts. You can sign up for as low as $99 a year to get access to all video trainings, prompts, custom GPTs, AI tools, and one free certification per year. Don't wait to become an AI expert process improvement analyst. You can start a 3-day trial today.